I'm Susie Smith-Coughlin for Buy Like a Buyer. So today I decided to showcase the jumpsuit that I had actually shown on Instagram and was on my Like to Know It. And there was so much movement on it, I thought it was worth showcasing. So here we go. So in the world of buying and selling, a buyer would come in and I would show this piece to them, and here's what I would say. So first off, it's denim, so that makes it seasonless, especially in the Northeast where you can really wear denim all year round. Secondly, it's got an open lapel, which is really nice, so you can make it sexy for date night. Dun, 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 dun. Put it with some heels, although I'll step back. And then you can also snap it up if you want that real boiler looking suit, you know, pair it with sneakers. So it's a real 2-for-1. That's another keyword that you would hear in the market if you were a buyer. So the other thing that I really like about this is that it has a zip, but it also has a little pinch waist. I had showcased it with a belt, but it just gives it a nicer line than your traditional boiler suit, if you will. So there's a lot of multi-functions here. I roll my sleeves. If I were a buyer, I would pick this up because I think it speaks to a lot of different customers. Okay, that's it. If you're interested in purchasing this or finding out more information, check out my website or check out my Instagram.